So if we're trying to find the polynomial, we want to work backwards. So right now, these guys are the answers to a problem. So what would the original problem be? So that would be, to get -3, the original problem would be x plus 3. And to get +2, the original problem would be x minus 2. And to get 5, the original problem would be x minus 5. So what we want to do is we want to multiply all three of those together. I'm going to do it like the box way the guy did in the video. And we're going to do 2 at a time. So I'm going to do x and 3, and then I'm going to do x and minus 2 here. So that's going to give me x squared. It's going to give me 3x. That's going to give me minus 2x. That's going to give me minus 6. Okay, these guys can be put together. So now I'm going to have x squared plus x minus 6. And then now I want to multiply that guy by x minus 5. All right, so I'm going to do that the box way also, because I kind of like that, especially with the 3's, the trinomial. So I'm going to put x and minus 5 up here. Make some space. Try again. So x, the minus 5 here, x squared, x minus 6. So that's going to give me x cubed minus 5x squared minus 5x. Nope, that goes here. And this would be x squared. And then we have minus 6x, and then we have 30. Okay, so we are going to put those together and these guys together, and that's going to give us our final answer. So final answer is going to be x cubed minus 4x squared minus 11x, and then plus 30. That would be my final polynomial.